how to enable and use Automix in Apple Music. So before this video, you need to remember that you need to buy the subscription of your Apple Music before turning on your Automix. Then you can simply get to your settings, and then from your settings, you can scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. So after doing that, here you can simply search for your music. Here you can see music right here, tap on it, and then we'll get to the settings of Apple Music, from which if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of song transitions. Tap on it and make sure that song transitions are turned on just like this. So like I said, it is currently selected Crossfade because I don't have the subscription. If you do have the subscription, all you need to do is tap on Automix and select Automix. And like that, you'll be able to enable and use Automix in Apple Music. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.